Hey loves, thank you so much for tuning in to my easy DIY crochet lock wig tutorial. Alright, love. So it's your girl LAL here. I'm showing y'all this hair I got from Amazon. This is what we're using to make the wig today. So this is $34.98 for 7 packs of locks, and it has 18 locks each. And you do get a little gift with a little crochet hook. But remember, prices are subject to change. So these are all 7 packs. And like I said, it's 18 locks in each pack. Okay? Please like, comment, and share this video because sharing is caring. But this is what the locks look like. Please also go follow your girl on social media. Show your girl some love. I love to mingle. But this is the cap. It's by Freetress. I will drop links for everything that I'm using to make this wig below in the description box, as I always do for y'all. So check down below. But I'm just showing you there are 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. And yeah, it's pretty much a crochet cap, but it has combs. So we're gonna get started. And yeah, so this is 18 locks ready to go. By the way, I have this hair in a color 350, but we're gonna get going. So we're starting on the bottom, of course, but one thing I want y'all to keep in mind is that you want to actually space them out and kind of put them apart. And then what you can do is go fill in the top, because you're going to need more locks to fill in the top. Okay, it's more circumference up there, it's a bigger area to cover, and so you just go back and fill in the locks, like if you have additional locks at the end, once you have closed in your part and all that, because the part tends to be a little wide, so you want to put the locks really close to the part in the front. But yeah, y'all, so we didn't put in a pack, and now we going on. We're gonna do another and another, and until we finish. But it's really easy. I like these the actual crochet caps because they are made for this, honey. But yeah, so pretty straightforward. I don't know if most of y'all probably have crocheted hair before, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Well, to me, you just pull it through. And it's a couple different ways you can do it. You can actually put it on the hook and then slip it through first, or you can put the hook in and then, you know, vice versa, kind of flip it. As long as you're getting the hair in and attached, it does not matter. But we're doing the front now, y'all. You want to make sure that you space them out a little bit, but like I said, the front, you're gonna want to make sure that you don't have like big gaps, and you're gonna want to cover up the actual cap, like the actual perimeter, the very front of the cap where the elastic is. You're gonna want to kind of cover that up, and the little holes go down and over that. So that's the good part about these caps. That's why I say I like the way they're constructed. It makes it so much easier, because like if you were using a regular like stocking cap or something like that, it would be harder, like if you put hair too close to the elastic part, it'll make the elasticity of your wig kind of off, and it'll be like too tight on your head, or it won't stretch. So you don't have to worry about that with these caps. That's why this is a very easy DIY tutorial, and I think it's pretty beginner friendly. But as y'all can see, I am going and filling in, and then I'm gonna go back in and close up the areas that have like big gaps and spaces. You just want to make sure you have enough in there. But I took a marker, and this is actually there is a post-it like sticky note underneath there, so I don't mess up my blockhead. But you just take the marker, a permanent marker, and you are coloring the lace in, and I'm making like little hair-like strokes almost like, and then I just took my makeup My foundation is cream to powder, and fill it in the part to make it look natural. Yeah, y'all, when you actually purchase these caps, the lace part be so wide, it do not look natural. So you want to make it look natural, but it is install time. Yeah. So excited. So we want this to look natural, y'all. So we are going in and we are going to install individual locks in the front across the whole hairline in the front. Okay, so I'm just basically parting, like I'm gonna do square parts just to keep it simple. I rock a TWA, and as you can see, my hair is natural and it is super curly. I didn't really want to wet it too much because it makes it curlier, so I just left it, you know, kind of kinky. But yeah, the minute I wet it, it's really gonna be like super curly. So I wanted it to behave. It's kind of hard to, you know, put bands. These are elastic, the elastic bands, the like plastic ones. Because I didn't want to use regular rubber bands. Whenever I like install individual crochet locks or braids in my hair, I like to use these because they don't break your hair. But it seemed like you'd be wrapping forever though, especially when your hair is short like mine. But this also shows you cuties that, you know, all of y'all out there that rock a TWA, that it is possible, okay? Showing y'all what y'all can do. We can do some things, you heard me? Yeah, baby. So we are installing the locks just across the front. And y'all see how pretty much like I put it on the wig. Wherever there's a rubber band, we going in with a full lock, okay? So, and then the thing is, these are different, y'all. So I did pick up some different hair, and I did show y'all the pack, but I'll include that information too down below. But if you can, like I said, it will just help if you go back and fill in the back later, but you want to save like at least 8 to 10 for the very front of your hairline. But yeah, so these are like wavy on the end, so I had to nip the end. But yeah, we just making sure we kind of brush the kinkabugs up in the back. But this is the wig, and we about to install her, child. Yes, yes, babies. So we are sliding the combs in, and I kind of matched up. I know where the part is. It's hard for y'all to see because the wig looks really full. But she's not really like super heavy. But one thing that you would probably want to do, even though she has combs, you can feel a little bit of a like tension just in the front. It helped me just to put in like 3 bobby pins, just really in the front where I attach the wig where the combs are, and that just keeps the wig from like pulling on your hair. But yeah, it's not even super heavy. It feels like if you were to buy a braided wig, and you know, whenever you have long hair, like even if you get your hair braided, if you have a long like long full braided, you know, style, it's gonna feel heavier than if you rock like short braids, you know. But it's not like heavy to where it's uncomfortable. It's not making my neck snap back, none of that. So we're going in with our makeup. This is Kiss Cream to Powder Foundation. I love it because it shows up really well in my wigs. And we gotta do the ends. Yeah, I took the little edge control that I was using when I did the front of my hairline, and I'm just taking the ends, you know, where I nipped the little crinkly parts off the ends. I trim them and then just taking the edge control and just twist, and it kind of makes them really, you know, thin out, makes them skinny and pointy like the other ones, so it'll be more uniform. Because we gotta have it together. But yeah, I'm really loving how they're turning out, how the whole style is looking. Y'all don't have to do what I did with that front hairline if y'all don't wanna. I just really wanted it to look as though like I actually was rocking a full head of crochet faux locks, you know. Y'all know what I'm saying. But yeah, y'all, I really like it. These are 24-inch locks. But we're gonna just kind of put this in an up style. You know, it's okay down, but I generally tend to kind of do my hair half up, half down, you know, rock it in a loose pullback pony or something, but obviously we're not gonna be rocking this like that. But half up, half down is what we're doing. We just gonna tie it, and I'm not tying it like super tight. I'm just gonna tie it in a knot, like an actual knot. So tying it twice, and it's not gonna be to where you can't get it out. When you're doing hair like that, it's very easy to take it down. And I'm just making sure it's not pulling on the front where I actually have it attached to my hair. But do you see how natural, like when I say natural, I mean like realistic it looks? It looks like my whole head is done. Fake it till you make it, baby. But we going in and we doing these edges. Just a little something, something, nothing too much. Keeping it simple. Sometimes simple be the best way. Well, what y'all think? Y'all like? I think it came out pretty cute. Y'all see the part? Yeah. Y'all, I love making sure my edges be done. So, like I said, I wasn't gonna do like if I'm wearing like a wig with a lot of baby hairs or something like that, but just wanted to do a little something just to make it look cute in the front. But I gotta show y'all, I gotta get ready to show y'all the back so y'all can see what the back look like. I'm 4'11", y'all. I'm a shorty. I'm vertically challenged. Yes, yes. But y'all can see it goes way past my booty. So, anywho, how? Hope y'all found this video helpful. If you have not already joined the family, made it official, why not? It's free 99. Subscribe today to officially become one of my lovelies. Do something positive for somebody else. Stay safe. Your girl loves you. Here goes the pics. Later, loves.
Every weekend, make it boom boom to the beat. Make it boom 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 boom.